What's up, everybody? Mr. Bald back at it with a special kind of unboxing. Ain't that right, Samuel? Ain't that right, buddy?
Got the wagon.
Zoe, what do we got here? We got a wagon?
Yeah.
So this is the Mac wagon with a table.
This is Samus and Zoe.
That's right. Look at this. We're gonna keep this one safe. We tore up the other wagon, didn't we? The other metal wagon.
So we can sit and go.
This one we could take y'all everywhere. Yeah, we could take you Halloween. We could take you to the fair, to the carnival. We could set our drinks on it. So without further ado, YouTube and YouTubers, let's open this bad boy up. All right, here, scoot back. Let me open it right here. So back up. All right, let's do this carefully. Hold on, Sam. Hold on. Yeah, it can cut you.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful.
You get blood on you.
Yep.
Look.
All right, you can let him go. I'm done. There we go. So let's open this bad boy. Well, you know what? We might want to let it. Yeah, we might have to slide this out. You like that, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Let's put that there. There we go. Boom. All right. Let's open it up. Sam, what do we have here?
A wagon.
All right, here we go. Let's pull it out, see what we got. Oh, look at the big wheels. All right, let's set that right there. Look, Sam. Here, you want to play with that? That's your Christmas present. You know, kids, they like to play with anything these days for Christmas. You get them a Christmas toy and they don't play with it. You get them a box, they play with it. So look at this. All right, so you have the cool carrying case. So here's how it looks. Boom. So let's open the case up. Boom. Boom. Once you do that, I'm going to wing it. I don't need the instructions. Once you do that, just take the cover off. There's the cover. Here, Sam. You can play with the cover. And this is supposed to be a little strap there. Pretty simple to use. $99 plus tax. Whew, pretty expensive. This thing better last. So let's open it up. So all you got to do is do that. And bam, it is assembled. So what we're going to do, hold on, Zoe, hold on. Hold on. Scoot back. So what we're going to do is show you how it works. So here's the handle. You can leave it strapped like that. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Hold on. We'll let you do it in a minute. But if you hit this latch right here, you can take it right off. So you hit the latch, let you take it right off, and you can pull it around. So that's pretty cool. So let's see, what else do we have? We're supposed to have a table. Oh, there is. Let's see. Look at that. You got your cup holders, you got your phone holder, or whatever you want to use. And to close this bad boy up, move your fingers, buddy. Move your fingers. Hold on, Zoe. You're supposed to pull this little tab in the middle, and it closes right up. Look at that. That is really cool. What is this? So you can take it right off. So this stops it. Okay. So this lever here adjusts to where if you want it that length, you push it over and you can't move it. Pretty nifty. Look at Sam. He's trying to do it. All right. Let's get close up on this and show you. Kids are digging it so far, just as much as Daddy. All right, Sam. What are you doing, buddy? All right, so here it is. Here, hold on, buddy. Come over here. Here is the wagon. Hold on. Zoe, don't.
I want to do it.
Hold on. Just wait. So there it is. Just want to show y'all. Trying to show the audience here. So let's lock this up in place.
No, we can't lock it. No, we
And
can't play.
the handle doesn't turn the wagon like normal. Hey, Zoe, stop.
I want it.
Hold on. The handle doesn't turn like normal wagons. It's the wheels that turn. All right, y'all want to, and see, oh, look at this. To close it, you just pull this little tab right here and look. Move your finger, Sam. Move his fingers. There we go. Hold on. Oh, be careful, Zoe. Just pull that and it closes up. Hold on, we're going to put y'all in there. Y'all ready? All right, let's All right. Here, let me put y'all in there. Hold on. Here. There you go. All right, Zoe. All right, ready? Put your feet around. Put your feet around Sam's. Like this. Ready? All right, everybody. Let's put this bad boy to the test. We have the heavy kids in there, so we can pull it. We cannot push it. I just found out. I'm not used to the handle not being the thing that moves. It's the wheels. But this thing holds up to 150 pounds. So what you cannot do is push it back with the handle because this goes in. So I just realized that. But you can push it from the frame backwards and the wheels turn. Nice, I like it. You like that, Sam? It's cold outside, Zoe. Let's move that. There we go. Here's a thumbnail. Let's turn y'all around. Boop. You like that, Sam?
I like that.
Look at the camera, Zoe. Sam. Thumbnail. All right. So let's set this bad boy up. Do you have a drink to put in there? No? What are you doing, Samuel?
I have my water bottle. Can you get my water bottle to put in there?
Okay, wait till we go somewhere. Look at Samuel. Look at Samuel. He likes that. Sit down, Sam. Sit down, buddy. It's pretty deep, too. I mean, he's able to stand all the way up, so this is pretty deep. So, this is mainly for towing the kids versus things. But it's pretty cool. All right, you liking that, Zoe?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
You want to stay
You can stay in
in here? Alright?
there? Sam. No, you gotta get down. Knucklehead. All right, come on. You ready? Whee! Here, I'll get you out, Zoe. Stop it, Sam. I know, buddy. All right, pull it, Zoe. Show them how easy it is. Pull it. Pull it up. There you go. Pull it up. There we go. And that's it. So you close these right here. Give me that tarp. You put the tarp on. Keep it cool and yeah. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. And then you strap it down with the straps. That's it. So this will store actually in the game room versus the barn. I don't need to put it out there. So pretty cool. We're gonna put it over here for now. All right, pretty cool. So far I'm digging it. The wheels don't lock, I don't think. Let me see, do the wheels lock? Let's see. So the wheels do not lock, which is fine. Yeah, no lock on the wheels. Zoe, what are you doing? Yep, no lock. What happened, buddy? Do you like your wagon? Do you like your wagon, buddy? You like that wagon, Zoe? Oh, and there is a bonus I wanted to show you. So the bonus is, not only do you have that cup holder tray at the back, right here, that's really cool. You have cup holders or bottle holders here. I didn't point those out. So you can put a big old cup or bottle there. You have two at the back. And let's lift this thing up to see what's under it. All right, Sam, let it go. See, there it is. Simple as that. You got your grid right there. Pretty cool. Look. And this, I don't know. Oh yeah, you can take this off. See? I believe, or can you? I think you can. I think they said you could take this off. I can't remember, to be honest with you, though. Well, maybe not. It doesn't look like. Yeah, it doesn't look like it comes off. But nonetheless, this is a thick pad right here. Well, not too thick, but this is a pad, and this is waterproof material. So it's not like they're just sitting on the board. There's like a board under it, and then you got the grid, the rail on the bottom to hold it tight and steady. So it wouldn't hold me. I'm 177, but I'm sure I could sit in it without breaking it. But I'm not gonna do that, of course. Holds the kids just fine. What are you, Sam, 25 pounds, and Zoe is 40 pounds, I think?
I'm 40.
40 pounds? That's right.
I'm 40.
You're 40?
Yeah. Don't say 4 at me.
All right. Sam likes it. Sam just likes playing with it.
It.
So look at that. I like it.
I like it.
I like it too, Sam. I'll leave it open for you so you can just play with it. Leave it alone, Zoe. Sam's playing, having fun.
I want to get in it.
We'll get in it when we go outside.
Get in one side.
Yeah. Have fun, buddy.